guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. This video is going to be a little different today. I did have an issue with my audio, so bear with me. I am going to be using two products from Camille Rose to style my hair. The first is the Curl Love Moisture Milk, and the second is the Curl Maker. This is my first time trying both of these items from Camille Rose, and I will say that I was very impressed with the results. So to start off the styling, I'm going to first section my hair off, and then I'm going to mist each section with a little bit of water because my hair did start drying a little bit, so I really just wanted to make sure each section was pretty wet before I begin applying my products. I love to apply my products on soaking wet hair because I find that I get the best results. So after I go in and mist my hair, I am going to begin applying the moisture milk, and then I'm just going to lightly detangle it with my Tangle Teezer Thick and Curly Detangling Hairbrush. And then from there, I will apply the Curl Maker. I used about 2 to 3 pumps per section, and I'm just really going to work that through my hair from the root to the end and really make sure that I'm saturating my hair and really covering the curls so that I am getting as much definition and hold as possible. Just a side note, I am starting off on freshly cleaned hair. I did use the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, and the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I really felt that the rinse was a little drying, but the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard really helps to balance that out. It did rehydrate my hair, and it does have a lot of slip, which is perfect when detangling. And I also like the Algae Renew mask because it really left my hair soft, and it did feel moisturized and strengthened as well. And it also had a lot of slip, so it really made detangling and finishing up super easy. So after I apply my moisture milk and curl maker, I'm just going to scrunch the sections of hair to really help enhance the curl pattern and really lock it in. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps of misting my hair, applying my moisture milk and curl maker, and really make sure that the section is properly detangled, and then I'll scrunch to really lock in that curl pattern. So I'm pretty much going to do this to all 4 sections. I'm not going to deviate from that at all. It's going to be the same thing for the entire head. So I'm going to make this tutorial a little more Camille Rose Naturals friendly and switch my background to pink. There we go. So I'm finishing up on my last section, and I'm just going to make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated with product. I'm also going to add any remaining product that's on my hand to my hairline as well, just to make sure that it is also moisturized and you know, in tune with the rest of the styling. I'm just going to separate the back because I did clip it out of the way, and I'm just going to shake that back portion a little bit just to get rid of that part that might have been in the middle, but to also really enhance the curl and clump them together. So I chose to diffuse my hair for my drying method. However, you can air dry if that works better for you. I like diffusing because it's a lot quicker. I get a lot of volume and my hair is super defined after using it. I really love the results from using the Camille Rose Naturals line today. My hair is, like I said, really defined. It's super juicy and shiny. So to finish up, I'm just going to take a little more of that moisture milk and just really scrunch that into my hair to make sure that it is fully hydrated, and if I do have any crunchy areas, it's going to help to scrunch those out. So after my hair was finished, like I said, I did have a lot of shrinkage. However, I'm not mad at that at all. You do have the option, of course, to fluff and pick your hair until you achieve your desired look. I wasn't mad at how my hair came out. Like I said, I really liked it, and the shrinkage really didn't bother me. If it did bother me, I definitely would stretch my hair a little bit by taking a blow dryer and using it just on the roots of my hair to loosen them up. But I know that over the course of a couple of days, my wash and go will definitely expand and it'll be really big how I like it. But for now, my shrinkage and these really shiny defined curls are perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial using the moisture milk and curl maker from Camille Rose Naturals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.